Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through VMEG's dubbing workflow and show you how to manage the entire video localization process, from transcription, translation, to final dubbing review. Let's get started. First, create a project. Projects help you organize and manage all the content related to your dubbing workflow. You can store all videos that belong to the same localization project in one place, making large-scale projects easier to manage. After creating a project, enter the project and click New Task to create a new dubbing task. You can upload a video file directly or paste a video link. Before submitting, you can check the estimated credit consumption, then click Submit to start the workflow. After submission, the transcription task will appear under the Original Script section. Click into the task to review the transcription result. For team collaboration, especially when transcription reviewers and translators are different people, you can use our built-in management features. You can add labels to specific segments, leave comments, mark segments as completed, and select multiple segments for batch management, making the entire review process more efficient. Once the transcription is confirmed, move to the translation stage. Click Generate Translation and select your target languages. You can generate multiple languages at the same time for multi-language localization projects. We highly recommend opening advanced options and adding a translation prompt. This allows you to control the translation tone, style, wording preferences, and specific requirements, helping AI generate more natural and localized translations. You can also add a glossary to keep terminology consistent, and choose whether to include filler words in the translated script. After confirming the settings and credit consumption, continue to generate the translations. Once completed, all translation tasks will be organized by target language, making it easier to manage and review each language version separately. You can directly edit and proofread translated scripts inside this panel. For faster review, you can click Proofread Script to download the script, make changes locally, or send it to your translation team, then upload the updated version back to VMEG. After confirming the translation is ready, move to the dubbing stage. Click Generate Dubbing and configure your voice preferences. You can choose whether to use voice cloning or AI voices, and whether you need additional refinement to improve voice quality and achieve better audio-video synchronization. Confirm the credit consumption and submit the task. After generation, the dubbing results will appear in the dubbing section. Here, you can fine-tune every part of the dubbed video. You can change the voice for each sentence, switch speakers, regenerate specific segments, and manually adjust the start and end timing. You can also customize subtitle settings, including adding original subtitles, translated subtitles, or bilingual subtitles. The dubbing workflow provides many editing capabilities similar to our dubbing editor, allowing you to complete the final adjustments before publishing. That's the complete VMEG dubbing workflow, from project management, transcription review, translation control, to final dubbing and editing. With this workflow, you can efficiently manage complex localization projects while maintaining full control over quality at every stage. Thank you for watching.